Gbogbo ẹ̀yin dẹ́ ń lo Maruwa ẹ máa bọ̀ o, wọ́n ti fẹ́ pa yín o. Ní tí wọ́n tàn 7 million fún yín àti wọ́n ń gbá yín ni owó bíi dọ́bù kẹ̀kẹ́ tí wọ́n bá rà bóyá bíi 3 million àbí 3.5 million ni wọ́n tà fún yín bíi 7 million o. Ẹ̀yin náà wò kẹ́ ìjọba àtẹ̀yìn ọba ẹ̀yin náà wò bí wọ́n ṣe ń yan àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ wá gbọ́ fídíò yìí o. Very black dark man ti tó àṣírí gbogbo àwọn tó ń ṣe à ń ta kẹ̀kẹ́ à ń gbé kẹ̀kẹ́ fún ìsọ̀lúmẹ̀tẹ̀ wá wò wọ́n ṣe ń ba yé àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ o. Àwọn olórí ibu ẹ wá wo iye tí wọ́n ń ta àwọn kẹ̀kẹ́ tó tún dáa ju iye tí wọ́n ń ta Nàìjíríà lọ o. Ètò tún nítumọ̀ ju àwọn kẹ̀kẹ́ tí wọ́n ń ta fáwọn èèyàn 7 million ẹ wá gbọ́ iye tí wọ́n ń ta ẹ wá gbọ́ iye tí wọ́n ń ta Maruwa o. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ̀yin ọba ẹ̀ sì ń wọ́n ìjọba wọn sì ń ba yé àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ ọmọ nǹkan ẹ ṣe programu yẹn jókòó fẹ́ ra o.
This one no be electric, this one na gasoline. As you can see, they couple am, they try to put the engine together. Come make I show you the. This is what they call the chassis. And the chassis, the frame. This guy they work on. Come closer. They work on some electricals. It's working on some electricals, putting it together. Alright, come. Now, let's go back so that you can see the seating where they don't already do. Please don't fall. I'll show you something surprising. Because this time I never seen it in Nigeria. As you can see. See the body as the up frame. Basically, this is the factory where they do the keke. So now, I'll come show you two types before we can talk about the price. I'll show you two types. See this particular type? You know they're Nigeria. This one will be Nigeria. So now from this one now we'll compare the price, and the price will shock you. See this one, you know they're Nigeria. As you can see, 30. Our normal one for Nigeria, now it be this. This is our Nigerian one. Please come closer. This is our Nigerian one, as you can see. This is the Niger type. 1, 2. Passengers will sit down here. But this other one, 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. This type now they use for India. Now, should I tell you the craziest part? China, they know they use these things. China don't use them because they don't ban them for commercial use. So they know they use them. All the one where they make, they send them go that kind India and for Africa. That is why this thing not supposed cheap. It's not supposed to cost like the one when they say that they sell for Nigeria. Now, I'll tell you the price. This one like this. See all of my mind a bit. This one like this now around 4.5 from here. Around 4.5 million there for here. This one, 4.5. This one, Mihao, come, you don't tell me about this one, number one. This one. Start your calculator. How much this one? Calculator. Price.
多少钱？当牌的多少钱？当牌的。
Live calculator.
来，价格。
当牌。
Yes, let me give her calculator.
当牌你不是知道吗？再按给他看。
They don't already tell me price of the big one, no answer for the small one because I hear the price of the big one. Say me say 4.5 and I hear say. Wow. This one around 3.5, that one around 4.5, and prices they never price them. We never talk shipping, sharp, but at the price. And I know sure if they buy in large quantity, they will reduce the price. So now I will need to go test them. And if you notice something, this one, probably like the one we'll get for Nigeria. This one they get screen, not just screen. If they get fan, please show the fan. If they get screen, let me do that for you. If they get fan and if they get screen and it gets Bluetooth, obviously. So now I'll go test them for outside. So please, let me go and try. Alright, so if you notice, this keke no be like our own. Now, if you see, first things first, come look at the screen. Okay, I put that from there. See the screen? Watch the screen. No, come. No, don't worry. Come and look at the screen. See the screen. This one get computerized screen. This one are the advanced one. Now, if you look the back, you notice that this one no be like our own. It gets double passenger. Our own are just one side, from here to here. Now be the Nigerian one. But this one, here for driver, here for like 2-3 passenger, and here again for like 2-3 passenger. You hear the sound? The sound is very, very mild. Very, very mild. Nice. Very, very mild. Make a on again. See the screen? You hear the sound? See the screen? What do you see? Put it on the screen. So this one now the advanced one. And guess what? You don't even cost reach down around at 7 million for Nigeria. Now what for that country? Anyways, if you need them, you let me know. I will follow them talk for you. Everything will be packaged and be sent. This is the factory. No be saying a middleman. You understand? Straight from factory, we go talk, get the best discount for you, and then you can get the keke. You want 100, 500, 1,000 pieces. Chom chom chom. They go down, come. Peace and love. Don't play.